How to change the language on Roblox on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to switch the display language across the site. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, sign in to your Roblox account. From there, click on the gear icon at the top right. At this point, click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the next step, click on the Account Info tab. Following this, scroll down and look for the language drop-down on this page. Once done, click on it to see the list of supported languages. From here, select your preferred language from the list. At this stage, the page should update automatically to reflect your new language choice. Keep in mind, this changes your account language across the site, but individual games have their own separate game language dropdown if you want a different language for a specific game. Finally, refresh the page if any menus don't update immediately after changing the language. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the language on Roblox on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.